Good afternoon, everyone. I represent Sankalp Taru Foundation. Basically, we plant trees, and the key differentiator is we are a technology-enabled NGO, creating transparency and visibility in the process of tree plantation program. So that's something which differentiates us, and we use mobile technology as one of the enabler. If you look at typical tree plantation activities, what exactly individuals or the funding companies, sponsors looking for? We always crib about we don't have open spaces or time to plant trees. So there's a convenience, many reasons to plant. We provide people so that they can plant trees from their mobile phones, wish, greet, or give these trees to someone. Be a responsible citizen by utilizing your carbon footprint. Transparency, you get to know where your tree was planted. In fact, you can navigate exactly to the tree using navigation feature, and the visibility part of it. And on ground operations, like these are the people who plant trees on the ground. We support a lot of farmers in rural areas, as well as school programs we are running where we plant trees. And in the process, all these people on ground have been enabled by mobile technology to share updates with the person who has planted a tree. So in fact, we have gone beyond network as well. We have been planting trees in the area of Kargil or Leh Ladakh where there's no mobile network. But since GPS coordinates are being captured by the smartphone, we work on that. And then as soon as it comes online, it starts sharing data. So how it works? You are sitting at an airport. You want to gift a tree to your mother. You can just download the mobile application, purchase e-code, plant a tree on the go, and yes, your virtual tree is planted. In the process, so this is how it looks like. You get to know. So you can make a selection where you want to plant a tree. We are operational at 7 places across India where there is a dire need to plant a tree. We have been planting trees in cold desert of Thar Desert, cold desert of Leh Ladakh, Thar Desert, Maharashtra. We are working for tribal villagers in Andhra as well as Tamil Nadu. So you can select one of the locations, select a wish, and your virtual tree gets planted. You might forget that you planted a virtual tree sometime back. Immediately a notification goes to the person where you have chosen to plant a tree. So now how it works. So I'll just play this video. Suppose you decided to plant a tree in a school in Thar Desert. So this is something like we've captured. So for a school in Deaf and Dumb, we are running a clean and green school program. So our ground operations team has already planted few trees there, and they want to share updates with the people who have sponsored this program. Since they have got the notification, how many trees, suppose 100 trees have been sponsored. What they will do is after planting those 100 physical trees, they will capture individual photographs of those 100 trees. And then since it's been done by a GPS enabled handheld phone, it also... Yes.
You're talking of trees which have already been planted or fresh plantation?
Fresh plantation. So the approach here is that we feel ourselves, because most of the programs in India, they do not create visibility or transparency. If you wish to plant a tree, you don't even know your tree was planted or not. Here, we are using mobile solution to make you updated about post-tree plantation and how it's updated, how it's planted, where it was planted, who was the beneficiary. And you then from the ground itself, in the video, I'll just play it again. They upload the photograph using 2G network, which is mostly there in the village. And as soon as the photograph is uploaded, you get to see the photograph of your tree along with the tag, the display name or whatever you have selected earlier, location on Google Map, which is there towards the bottom. You can scroll down, exactly see where your tree was planted, as well as beneficiary details as well is communicated back to you. So the idea is to share, to be transparent and enable people who would be further nurturing your trees, and in the process definitely they get benefited by livelihood support, as we mostly plant fruit bearing trees on the ground. you may want to navigate to your tree sometime. So suppose you were in Bangalore and you planted a tree in one of our project in outskirts of Bangalore, you can navigate to your tree. Just enter your tree ID and it will tell you the entire route from Bangalore to the village where it was planted. So this is what we are doing right from J&K to Tamil Nadu, different places, Rajasthan, and all. Where it makes a difference, we plant trees and support rural livelihood. This is the impact. Yes, since we do geotagging of each and every tree, so you can see so in September 2011 in Thar Desert, that's what our forest site looked like, and then you can see how green it has grown. Using geotagging, basically you are tracking the entire plantation block. These are the enhancement we have done. We also, wherever 3G signals are there, we live broadcast plantation programs so that you can watch it live, interact with the students as well or the farmers. Reporting and operations management solutions are there. As I said, the person gets notification. We have also come up with a solution where you can calculate your carbon footprint and it suggests you how many trees you need to plant to be a carbon neutral. These are the associations we have. We are running large-scale CSR programs with some of the organizations as well as individual plantation options we provide. So this is what we have achieved in last 2 years, growing together along with the rural farmers and students for whom we work. Thank you.
Thank you very much. I think that was Mr. Apur Bhandari from Plant a Tree. Any queries?
Who are this field operational team?
Yes, so we have our operational people at every site who are basically our NGO representatives, and they run this show there, and they are enabled with these GPS enabled handheld phones, and they immediately get the notification. As soon as you decided to plant a tree somewhere in Andhra, they will get a notification here that you sponsored 10 trees, and next day they plant 10 trees for you, and using their this mobile application, G1 application which we have, they further update you.
So how many NGOs are partnering with you?
So as of now, we are working with 4 grassroots NGOs, as well as we have our own footprint there. So we do operations on ourselves at the places wherever I mentioned.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.